Hey guys, today we're going to look at the replacement for the snipping tool. I guess some point of time you guys must have used snipping tool to get a screenshot, so that will be replaced by the snip and sketch tool. So snipping tool is moving out, and the only tool that you'll have for taking screenshots on Windows 10 will be the snip and sketch app. So let's give it a go. Alright, so there's a drop down here. So it gives you three options. So you can snip now, snip in 3 seconds, and snip in 10 seconds. We're gonna try snip now. Okay, so it gives you a few ways to take snips. So one is to draw a square on something, a freeform snip, window snip. Window snip is to take a snip off a window, and the other one's a full screen snip. So let's start with the rectangular snip. Cool, there we go. Now so it lets you edit a few things, so you can crop, lets you highlight, so use the ballpoint pen tool, you've got the pencil tool as well. Lets you erase what you have drawn. And then you've got a ruler tool as well. Can zoom in if you want. That's the save function, copy function, share function. So if you have any apps installed on your Windows computer, you can share them. And let's see what other options there are. So you can open other files through this. To open with, you can print. Yeah, there's a tips and tricks section as well, and then settings. So you can auto copy to the clipboard if you want. Can turn on ask to save snip before closing. That is, yeah, if you close the Snip and Sketch app, it should always ask whether you want to save it or not, instead of automatically saving the snip. And this is to open the snip in multiple windows. Okay. Let's do a few more demos. So let's click on snip now. I'm going to select the freeform snip. So I'm just going to draw around this. Okay, that's a freeform snip. Close that. Open snip again. So I'm going to do a window snip. So take snips off the windows, any windows that are open. And let's try something else. try the full screen snip. So I have two screens running, so it's gonna take a snip of both the screens. There you go. So you can see there. So this also has the ruler tool, so let me just, not sure why you would need to use the ruler, but it's there if you need it. There's a protractor tool as well, tool as well. So that's the Snip and Sketch tool, guys. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and please share it with your friends. See you in the next video, guys. See ya.